Hey, I'm Chris from Off-Road Rush, and this is a little bit of a taste of what you're in for. Woo-hoo! That's a V8 race buggy, capable of 200 kilometres an hour, and also you can hop in a WRX STI turbocharged. This could be you in the WRX Subaru. You only have to be 7 years old, that's minimum age. We've got Monday to Saturday, operate at the Gold Coast, so come out, jump in and let's have some fun. After the Subaru WRX, come and jump in these V8 race buggies. Capable of 200 kilometres an hour, we hit massive jumps, gets heaps of sideways actions. Come out, have some fun. Woo!